I'll melt it?
Yeah.
No, you get it. Suck it up. There you go. There's that one.
Yeah.
Push it in again. Alright. Melt this other one. Alright, there you go. Now do it. There it is. There's that one.
Can you try it again?
Yeah. Now you're going to have to, we're going to have to solder it back together.
Why do you make it more bigger?
Because we have enough room.
Mm.
So, you ready? I'm going to melt it, and you go ahead and melt that wire on there. Go ahead. Go down a little bit further. Go down your way. There you go. You got it.
Okay. Uh-oh.
We didn't get it very good. There you go. Put a little bit more on there. There we go. You got it. Okay, go ahead and stop. Oh, God. We didn't...
I don't know why it keeps going off.
We melted it too much. Hang on. I'll get it. Leave it alone. There we go. We got it. It was just a little bit too hot.
How did you get that really going?
Okay, I'm going to melt this one.
Don't put it much straighter.
Alright, put some on there. Alright, that's good.
Let me see, let me see.
Blow it.
Can you try that again?
There we go.
Can you try it again?
We got it. Soldered some wires onto this motor.